Morning friends, myself Aman Sharma from Hotel Management Department in RPIIT campus. Today's our topic is job responsibility of kitchen staff. First of all, executive chef. It is the topmost position in kitchen department, chef of command in kitchen, also known as head chef, and has the following job responsibility. First is develop the recipe and menu for operation. Second, survives food production. Next, maintain food cost standards and cost control. Next, promotes safety and sanitation. Next, assist in taking inventory and purchasing supply. Next, introduce new product. Next, handle customer concern and suggestion. Maintain coordination between departments and kitchen section. Next, control spoilage, breakage, wastage, misuse of material, manpower and machine. Next, inspect the daily supplies of the kitchen. Handle employee concern issues. Schedule assign work of the staff. Set production goal or job expectations. Participate in determination of salary and salary changes. Identify new equipments, new product and enhance the product standard. Ensure the availability of stock, raw ingredients by proper planning and coordination with store. Recommend menu pricing by coordination with F&B director. Ensure practice of hygiene and safety precautions. Next is our executive sous chef. The duties of executive sous chef is take charges of kitchen in absence of executive chef, known as deputy chef or second chef, the principal assistants of the chef de cuisine, supervise the work related the preparing food job responsibilities, represent the executive chef in his absence, to make work schedule of junior staff under him, act as liaison between executive head chef and kitchen staff, ensure smooth flow of dishes from the kitchen, maintain coordination between different sections of kitchen, report to executive chef, and attend the meeting in absence of the chef. Monitor portion control and assign part stock are kept at minimum level, supervise food testing, preparation and sampling in all production phase, following up any issue regarding to the employee to executive chef, ensure all the food are prepared and presented to customer according to the international standard, ensure safety and security hygiene are followed correctly, assist in menu planning, assist executive chef in any new cuisine concept. Next is our sous chef. Exists in large hotel or the busiest kitchen. Charge of the given section is job responsibility. Ensure the proper workflow from preparation to the presentation of all dishes. Report to chef the cuisine and executive chef. Control the breakage and wastage within his department. Kitchen executive. It responsible for overseeing the entire operation of the kitchen department. Make sure that the kitchen area meet healthy and safety requirements are mandated by law. Job responsibility. Ensure adherence to organizational standard of food quality, hygiene, preparation and presentation in kitchen. Make sure all equipment work well. Ensure promote service to entire guest. Responsible for maintaining record document of his or her area. check the quality and availability of raw material at all time, check attendance and punctuality of every team member, provide cross training to employees of other departments, work in close relation and coordination with F&B service team. Chef the party. Control a section of the kitchen, third in command after head chef and sous chef. Often the position is referred to a section chef or line cook. Job responsibility of chef de partie is ensure promote service by all kitchen staff under his control, responsible for hotel standard on food quality, preparation and presentation, recommend change in system and change in the menu by implementing new dishes, take care of hygiene, cleanliness of the kitchen and maintain its standard, be aware of maintaining wastage without compromising on food quality, check and keep record properly, brief team member on menu change and new dishes, make sure that hygiene and cleanliness are maintained according to HACCP. Commis. Commis is a basic chef in large kitchen. Work under chef de partie. Don't need higher qualification. May have completed the simple culinary training and experience of the couple of years or maybe more. There are commis 1, 2 and commis 3. Commis 1 is bigger in the post. Some other specialization is chef garde manger, responsible for the preparation of cold although organize large buffet display, prepare salad and prepare charcuterie item. Chef legume also report to chef entremet and prepare the vegetable and fricassee dishes. Chef patissier prepare dessert and other meal and sweets and also prepare the vegetable and furnish. Chef boulanger in large kitchen prepare bakery items. Butcher meat, poultry, sometimes fish, may also be in charge of breeding meat and fish items. Chef entremet prepare soups and other dishes including vegetable dishes and egg dishes but not meat or poultry. Chef potage in large kitchen report to the chef entremet and prepare soups. Concheffer prepare candy and patties for instead of the patissier. Glacier prepare ice cream and cold dessert instead of the patissier. Chef rotissier roast, broil and deep fry dishes. Chef galadier prepare grilled food instead of rotissier. Chef poisono prepare the dish of the fish and seafood dishes. Chef torrent move throughout the kitchen assisting other position on kitchen. Chef command prepare meals served to hotel restaurant staff. Abboyer take order from dining room and distribute them to the various section, may also performed by chef de partie. Thank you.